Building toys for kids improve their engineering skills, motor skills, hand-eye coordination, creativity, and many more. Today we are going to unbox Lego construction set, and I am going to build something really creative which is not in the instruction book. Today I am going to build a house with simple doors, simple windows, and many more.
Hey guys, welcome to Vlearn.tv. Today we're gonna unbox this package from Amazon. Let's unbox. Oh, Lego! It's Lego! This is a Lego package, a giant package, which we can make lots of stuff out of it. And this is where we get the stuffs. This is all the stuffs we all get. Let's open it! Oh, green, blue! Blue, yay, yay! My favorite color, pink! Let's see what's more inside. Dump it all down. Alright, you got now great. Hey, it's not simple friendly. So it also comes with an instruction book. This is from Lego.com. Oh, so we can build things with them. What's this? Oh, it's a plate. Good. Let's get building. First, let's unbox it. Alright, wait. No. Pink. Oh, sweet. Wait. Alright, so. No, wait. I think it's. Wow. Alright, let's separate them. Let's separate them. Come on. Make pieces which are same.
Let's see. Now I am building walls. I'm building the border so I can easily make the walls perfect as it is. And adding a roof. You see that red color one? That's a sunshade. Gardens. I'm building flower pots. And now lamp. These are seats, outdoor seat, where everyone can chill out and all. Now these doors can open and close. There's also a doorknob. There's a barbecue on and off button and all. Some seats where everyone can hang out and sit, so everyone can have fun. These are functional windows. They can open and close. Flowers on flower pots and fence, lamp, garden lamps and all. That's all for today. So in next video we will be constructing typewriter, top, jet ski, airplane, racing car, dog, robot, easy robots, lion, truck, and a easy seesaw. That's all for today. Don't forget to share and subscribe to Vlearn.tv.